All right, let's talk about how a pro security system can actually affect your home insurance.
You know, it sounds so simple, right? But this one little sentence, it can kick off a huge headache. So what does that really mean to an underwriter? Is it just making noise, or does it actually manage risk?
A lot of times the only proof you get is a screenshot from an app. Doesn't say much, does it?
Or maybe you get a picture of a keypad. Again, this shows there's hardware, but is it even on?
And sometimes it's just a blurry photo of a sticker. This is what causes all that back and forth.
All this wasted time boils down to one thing: ambiguity. And that can be a real liability after a loss. So the whole game is about moving from a vague claim to actual verifiable proof. That's the key.
So what do underwriters need? Well, there are two key documents that make a system insurance ready. Let's check them out.
First up is the monitoring certificate. This is your clear, defensible proof that the system is professionally monitored.
And just so we're clear, phone alerts don't count. Now the second doc, that gets into the details.
This is the system summary. It's not just a parts list. It explains what's actually being protected.
Why does this matter so much, especially for high-value homes? Well, it documents specific risk controls, like for water damage.
Because having proof of water and fire sensors, that shows a much deeper level of risk control.
And here's the difference. A pro install is verifiable and defensible. A DIY box? Not so much.
See, pro installs are designed for reliability. Think cellular and battery backups for when the power goes out.
Okay, so how does your agent get their hands on this info? It's actually a super simple process.
It's just 3 steps: request, deliver, submit. This whole thing is built to be fast and cut the chatter.
And what's the result? A clean, defensible file. Your agent is happy, and you know exactly what's covered.
So is your protection just a claim, or is it defensible? Good documentation turns it into a real asset.